Hello everyone, welcome to ColorPage Effects. I am Sukumar Swaminathan. In this video, we will see how to create an 2023 year planner in Adobe Indesign with the help of Microsoft Excel. We will begin with the new spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. I am going to create calendar data using Microsoft Excel's autofill option. To begin with, I am typing 1 and 2 in two consecutive cells. I am now selecting those two cells, holding my click. I am dragging the mouse down till I reach the 31st cell. And now when I release the click, we can see Excel autofills the remaining dates. Similarly, I am creating weekdays. I am repeating the same steps to create names of the months. Now we can copy the dates and paste it to the remaining 11 months. Same way we can copy the weekdays and paste it to the remaining months. Since every month begins with a different weekday, we have to just make sure that we are copying the correct cells and pasting it in the correct location. Now we are done with the calendar data. I am saving this Excel sheet into my system folder. We'll come to Adobe Indesign now. I am creating an A3 document in landscape mode. Using File Place option, I am importing the Excel sheet. Now selecting the complete data and going to Table menu and Convert Text to Table option, we can arrange this data in a proper table format. Now I will have to format this table for a better look. I would like to visibly differentiate the month columns. So I am going to use some of the table options available in Adobe Indesign. I am using paragraph styles now to format the text. I am creating separate paragraph styles for dates, weekdays. Now to differentiate and highlight Sunday from rest of the week, I am using a new paragraph style and giving it a new color. And here is the final design I have made today. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly let me know your feedback or thoughts in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to ColorPage FX to get more videos like this.